Peace, love, prosperity, family. Welcome back to SidX TV. And I said, family, that means you right there listening, watching, engaging, taking the time out to give me your beautiful, precious time. Hit that subscribe button. Great content is always posted. Stuff to empower you, enlighten you, or whatever whoop-de-woo stuff. Yes. Anyways, I'm back. And like I said in the last video, if you haven't seen it or you just want to know about how to do an indoor garden, I did a U-Haul from Wish, got a whole bunch of stuff, and I then decided to make a indoor garden. Here is what I used and where I'm at and everything like that. This total project in total cost won't even cost you like $20, less than 15 to have an indoor garden, probably multiple, depending on where you go and what supplies and everything. You get really innovative with this stuff. But without further ado, like I used in the last video, like you could see if you rewatch it or watch it, this was something I purchased from Wish. I just opened it up, made holes in it, customized it to how I'm gonna use it when I use it. I have my markers of my different fruits and vegetables, everything that I'm going to plant. And without further ado, give me 1, 2, 3 seconds and I'm gonna show you my indoor garden. I have my tomatoes, okra, cucumbers, strawberries, and the whole process didn't take longer than, honestly, not even an hour. It didn't cost no more than 15 at the max. And I mean, it was fun overall. I'm gonna make another one because this will be the start of my vegetable garden. So when I make another one, that's gonna be my personal indoor garden, and that's going to be for like things like aloe vera, things that are herbal and good to just have in general, just in your house. So I'm gonna make another one at a later date and show you what I will actually be growing greenly out of it from my indoor garden. And like, yeah. But like I said, this is my indoor garden. I'm about to go back and show you guys how exactly I made this and everything. And you know, feel free to fast forward, pause, jump around wherever you see fit. I just went based off of I seen this idea driving past somebody's house. They had a whole bunch of these little foam containers, big shapes, small shapes, outside their house, and they had nothing but greenery coming out of it. And I was like, oh my god, that's so genius. You know, you could paint it different colors, then after you paint it, you have it sitting up, and then if and when it does break, it's, you know, it's cheap, it's affordable, you can go out and buy more. You know, it's easier to have a fresh bed of garden or a fresher garden, to where at any point, if I wanted to make something or started to grow something, I have this fresh soil that I know is nourished and can grow it. So there's a whole bunch of benefits to it, and like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. As you can see, all-purpose, well, maybe you can't. All-purpose potted soil. It was like not even a good $5 for my work. And that's good enough.
You are the cure of pain. not drugs. Smell the flowers. Get back to nature. Sunshine. Program. Are you a tree? Are you a savior or a fruit? Be free. You're divine. You are love from above. You are the cure of pain. Hugs, not drugs. Smell the flowers. Get back to nature. Sunshine. Program. Are you a tree? Are you a savior or a fruit? Be free. You're divine. You are love from above. You are the cure of pain. Hugs, not drugs. Smell the flowers. Get back to nature. Sunshine. Program.
Boom. Easy. Didn't even take 20 minutes. Could take you a little longer. I had to explain what it is that I'm doing, so that way you could go out, you could do it, and you could be great. But like I said, easy. Really, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey family, so thank you for watching my YouTube video. Give this video a thumbs up. Give me comments if you're going to try it out. I mean, hey, you never know, you might like it. You might just have it there for decoration a little bit to improve your health like I am. Share this video with somebody you think that it might be useful with. And until then, have a great day. Have an awesome day. Live your best life. Do amazing things and share positivity and be the change you want to see in the world. Sit out.